Are you looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this certified pre-owned 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited 4x4 in bright white. With bi-xenon HID headlamps, automatic headlamp leveling, 18-inch polished aluminum wheels, LED tail lamps, heated and ventilated front seats, steering wheel mounted shift levers, remote start system, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, backup camera, 9 amplified speakers with subwoofer, select track system, integrated voice command and Bluetooth, heated second row seats, dual-pane panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, electronic stability control, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5353A.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.